Ready to give your home a stylish refresh without breaking the bank? These genius IKEA hacks take everyday pieces and transform them into smart, space-saving, and stunning upgrades. From clever storage tricks to creative design ideas, you'll see just how easy it is to make your home feel brand new. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Sometimes the simplest furniture can surprise you. This IKEA drawer hack turns a plain piece into something chic and custom. With just a few tweaks, those ordinary drawers suddenly look high-end and stylish. It's budget-friendly, renter-friendly, and adds instant personality to your space. A little creativity goes a long way in making your home feel unique. Turn wasted space into smart storage with this easy IKEA Kallax hack. By repurposing cube units into a flat underbed shelf, you get open compartments that act like little parking spots for your stuff. No drawers, no tracks, just simple, solid spaces where everything has its place. Slip in bins for seasonal clothes, or keep it open for easy grab-and-go storage. It's a budget-friendly trick that makes your bed work double duty. Who says storage can't be smart? This mom hack takes a simple drawer unit and transforms it into a full vanity. By cutting out the top, you can fit in a sink and faucet, turning it into a sleek bathroom upgrade. Add a couple of drawers below, and you've got hidden storage for all your essentials. It's a stylish way to get both function and design in one piece. Your bedroom doesn't need a full remodel to feel like a boutique. Line up sleek wardrobes side by side, and you've got yourself a walk-in dressing setup. Add drawers for clothing, and keep socks and underwear perfectly organized under a glass top, so everything's on display. Sliding trays mean no more digging for accessories. Put a few wardrobes together, and suddenly your room feels organized, custom, and luxuriously put together. Got a little gap in your home that's just wasted space? Turn it into storage magic. Add sleek sliding panels, and suddenly you've got a hidden pull-out system. It's slim, simple, and makes use of those awkward crevices. Perfect for stashing spices, cleaning supplies, or anything that clutters your counters. It's the secret drawer you never knew you needed. Why buy a giant cabinet when you can build one yourself? Stack simple pop-out drawers on top of each other, arranging them in any pattern you like. Before you know it, the whole wall transforms into one massive storage unit. The seams disappear, and it looks like a single custom piece of furniture. Drawers, cupboards, and endless space, all from a few stackable units. This isn't just a bookshelf, it's a secret project waiting to happen. Start with a simple rolling shelf and give it a fresh coat of paint in your favorite color. Add thin wooden strips in a creative pattern across the front, and suddenly it looks like designer furniture. Cover the back with a solid panel, pop on a handle and lock, and swap the wheels for sturdy stands. What you get is a stylish cabinet with storage that looks completely custom. Who needs to splurge on a vanity when you can build one yourself? Start with simple storage drawers as the base. Unscrew and rearrange the panels to create a sleek design where one side floats and the other is supported by drawers. Top it off with a glass surface cut to size, and suddenly it's a modern dressing table. Clean, stylish, and totally custom to your space. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Sometimes the best desk starts with kids' storage. The IKEA Trofast bins make the perfect base. Just add a sturdy tabletop across the frames, and you've got instant desk space with built-in storage. The drawers keep supplies, books, or even craft tools organized and out of sight. It's simple, affordable, and totally customizable to your room. Who knew a bread box could become furniture? Take two simple pull-out bread boxes, attach them together, and paint the sliding doors black for contrast. Flip the whole thing over and add legs, and suddenly it's a sleek mini table. The best part? Those sliding doors now hide storage for your little essentials. It's compact, stylish, and surprisingly clever. Turn plain into glamorous with this DIY trick. A basic table gets a marble-style wrap, instantly transforming the surface. PVC pipes on the sides add depth, and a coat of gold spray makes them shine. The result? A mini table that doubles as a stylish accent piece. Perfect for a corner, next to the sofa, or anywhere you want a touch of elegance. This clever IKEA hack turns plain panels into something amazing. Stack 3 panels for a sturdy shelf, then hover a top panel above for a floating look. Attach a bar light under that top piece, and you've got storage that glows. Baskets and plants fit perfectly in the open spaces, while bins below swallow up clothes and extras. It's part shelf, part decor, part closet. Totally genius. Small spaces call for smart furniture. This storage bench does double duty. Somewhere to sit and somewhere to stash your things. The bottom cubes hold baskets for hidden storage, while the center cube is ready for books or decorations. Add a panel on top with a couple of pillows, and you've got a cozy spot to relax. It's a tidy little upgrade that makes your room look organized and inviting. Why settle for a plain bed when you can make it look designer in an afternoon? Cut a wooden panel into a smooth half circle, wrap it in a fabric you love, and staple it tight. Layer on a soft, textured material for that extra cozy feel. Slide it behind your bed, and suddenly your room feels warm, stylish, and complete. A headboard that's simple, custom, and totally unique. Here's a hack that's both practical and cozy. Line up 4 storage cubes as the base, then cover them with wooden panels on top. Secure the panels so they work like a lift-up door, giving you easy access to whatever you stash inside. Throw on some cushions, and you've got yourself a comfy storage bench. Extra seating plus hidden space. Perfect for any room. Mount a slide-out dustbin to the side of your counter, and suddenly you can toss scraps without leaving your spot. No more dripping mess across the floor or carrying peels to the trash. Just slide, swipe, and you're done. It keeps your kitchen looking neat while making daily cooking a whole lot smoother. Here's a living room upgrade that looks custom without the price tag. Take simple shelving units under your TV, wrap them in wooden paneling, and add a tall bookshelf on one side for balance. Once it's all painted your favorite color, the pieces blend seamlessly into one. What started as basic storage now feels like a built-in entertainment unit that completely changes the vibe of your space. Take a solid wooden panel for the tabletop and secure it to a cube drawer base underneath. Flip it over, and you've got a table that's not just sturdy, but secretly smart. The hidden compartments fit storage cubes perfectly, so all your clutter stays tucked away. A clean surface on top, organized storage below. Simple and stylish. Tired of tripping over shoes by the door? Grab a simple shelving unit, stack it with individual shoe organizers, and suddenly every pair has its own spot. No more messy piles or hunting for the missing one. It's neat, compact, and surprisingly spacious. With this setup, you can easily store way more shoes than you'd expect, all while keeping your entryway looking clean and organized. Need more room to focus? Combine a few pre-built bookshelves with a sturdy wooden panel on top, and you've got yourself a wide desktop workstation. The bookshelves double as storage, while the panel ties everything together into one sleek surface. Add a little paneling around the sides for a clean, built-in look. The result is a spacious, quiet, and aesthetic setup perfect for work or study. Sometimes the smartest hacks are the simplest. By turning tall bookcases on their sides, you instantly get a lowboard with a clean, modern look. It frees up wall space, balances out the room, and still gives you plenty of storage for books, baskets, or decor. What once looked bulky now feels sleek and intentional. A quick, budget-friendly trick that totally transforms your space. Say goodbye to messy floors with this clever IKEA Kallax drawer hack. By turning cube units into a low underbed shelf and adding drawers, you get hidden storage that slides out smoothly when you need it. Perfect for stashing clothes, books, or random bits that never seem to have a home. The clean design keeps everything tucked away while still looking stylish. A simple weekend DIY that transforms wasted space into organized storage. Who knew bread boxes could turn into furniture? Take two sliding wooden bread boxes, attach them to the sides of wooden panels, and you've got the base of a clever storage setup. Add a middle shelf and a top surface, and suddenly it's a compact dressing or organization table. The best part? Two vertical sliding compartments on the sides for hidden storage. Simple materials, surprisingly smart design. Here's a simple hack that instantly makes your staircase feel futuristic. Stick motion-sensing bar lights under each step and watch them glow as you walk up or down. No switches, no fumbling, just automatic light exactly when you need it. It's practical for safety, but it also adds a dramatic touch to your home. Every step feels like part of a glowing pathway,